Today's pick is going to be a ERA insurance padlock. I have 3 of them here. Each one is a little bit different from the other one is. This first one is a 4-lever ERA. They're normally 5 levers. Insurance with quotes around it. Don't have a key for this one. Second one here is a newer ERA 5-lever padlock. Came from Chris Capoon and Suki a while back. And there's the key. And this third one is an insurance padlock. It is a 5-lever, and it has insurance in quotation marks, just like the 4-lever one does. And this is one I'll pick. It's locked, but I don't have a key for it. Excuse the telephone in the background. Something always usually happens when you're trying to film. And I'll be using this homemade Titton tool. And this upright is really too short, much too short to throw the bolt. So the bolt will have to be thrown manually if I pick the lock. So let's give it a chance here. And I'll be using this lollipop lock pick wire. Put some moderate tension on it. Starting here from the front of the lock, going back. I think I've got the levers picked. Now it's a matter of getting the wire out and not locking it back up again. Appears still to be locked. Let's see if I can throw the bolt. I think I locked it back up again. Yep. That's the tricky part. to use a thicker wire to get up in there and throw the bolt over. So there you have it, Fobly or ERA, picked with a wire and homemade tool. Thanks for watching.